Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you a prototype of how to do dependency resolution interactively in xconfig using RangeFix. Up in the right corner of the screen I have a set of options that I'm gonna enable, and to do that I'm gonna use RangeFix. So we will start by launching xconfig here, and we will start with the SGI XP option, so we will search for that. And it's here. So the additional button here in the toolbar is the conflicts view button. So if we press that, it will bring up the conflicts view pane, and we want to set this to yes, so we will go ahead and press the Y button. So here we can see the option, what we want to set it to, and its current value. And we will select the option and calculate the fixes for that. So this will trigger RangeFix. We can see here in the bottom that it's currently running, and we can also see here in the terminal that we have started it, and the argument that we sent to RangeFix. So now when it's done, we can see that we got one fix, and it consists of 5 fix units. The option SGI XP, it's included in the fix, it's here. But we also have 4 other options that we need to enable to be able to enable this option. So these are supposed to be set to true, and this is a tree state which is encoded as an enum in RangeFix. It can be either no, module, or yes, but in this case it should be set to yes, which is obvious since that's what we wanted here. And we will go through them one by one and enable them. So we will start with experimental, and it's over here, so we will set that to yes, and then we will take the next one here. Set that to yes. Now x86 x2b. Set that to yes. And now we have only this dependency left. And lastly, it's the option itself that we wanted in the first case. So yeah, this is tree state, so it's now module, and yes, as we can see here, and also here now it has the value that we wanted it to have. So we will proceed with the next option over here. We will search for it, MDIO bit bang. Here it currently can be set to no or module. We want to set it to yes, so we will calculate fixes for that. So we have RangeFix running. It will take some seconds. So in this case we can see that we got more than one fix. So we are able to resolve this conflict in several different ways. It's also displayed here in the terminal. And as before, the option itself, it's included in the fixes. So in each fix it appears. And as we can see, the fixes consists of they aren't equally large. So for instance, here we have two very simple fixes with only 2 fix units, and if we go up again, for instance, here we have one fix that consists of 4 fix units. But, let's take this fix unit and implement that. So we will search for Tygon 3. So it's currently module, and we set it to yes. And then we go back to mg.io bit bang here, and as we can see here, it's now possible to set it to yes. So that was that, and we will now proceed with game port NS558. We search for it. Here we have the option. It's only possible to set it to either no or module, and we want to set it to yes. So we will calculate fixes for that. So in this case we got a lot more fixes than last time. All of them are quite easy, as we can see. So the most obvious one is I guess this one, because it will set game port to yes, which is this option, which we can do right away, and now we are able to set this to yes also. But we will keep this as module and also this as module, and we will look at the other possible fixes here. For instance, let's take this one. So if we search for joystick Cobra, we will find it here, and if we set that to yes as suggested down here, we can see when we are at this option, we can also see that it selects game port. So implicitly we are selecting game port, and that's why it's not part of the fix, since we don't need to set it ourselves. But we will go back to game port NS558. Now you can see that the game support is set to yes, and we are able to set this to yes. So now it's these two left. The first one is a Bluetooth driver. It's up here. It's this one. So we will set that to yes, but we will also set the ESI dongle to yes at the same time. We will see how that looks like. So it's here, and it can either be set to yes right now. We will select both of them and call RangeFix So RangeFix started, and this time it got 2 arguments. Okay, so it returned with 1 fix. It consists of 6 fix units. However, as before, these options appear in the fix also. So yeah, this is one of them that we wanted to enable, and also here. And these are 3 states, and all of them are supposed to be set to yes, but we have also this RF kill that looks a bit funny. Let's expand this. It's expressed a little bit strangely. Here it says that it can't be no, or it can't be yes. So basically this whole expression says that it can be any value of no module or yes, but it can also not be a module. So basically it can be anything and not module. So it has to be either no or yes. But we will start with the I or DA. We go up here and search for that, I or DA. And then we got several results, but it's here. Okay, so it's set to yes now. We'll take the second one, I or TTY, yes, I or. Set that to yes. And then we have a yes, I dongle. Sorry. So yeah, now we are able to set that to yes, and that appear here. And we will proceed with the RF kill here. And it's currently set to module, and that wasn't allowed. So we will set that to something else. It can be either yes or no, but let's keep it at no. And then we will need to set the BT to yes, and that's this option. So we will set that to yes. Now we will go back to this Bluetooth driver that we wanted to set to yes, and we can see that is indeed now possible. So now we have achieved the goal of setting all 5 options to yes, and we can save our config and perhaps delete these options from this list. And that's about it. We are now successfully enabled these features.